Hello friends, how are you doing all? Hope you all are doing great. So welcome back to another session of learning English and improving English speaking skill with me. Today video we are going to discuss about a very important topic. We oftentimes ask with different people, we search on social media, but still we are in dilemma. Okay, so what is the topic? The topic is, can I speak English fluently within a month? Yes, the topic is, can I speak English within a month fluently? Yes. So before I start the session, I just want to request all of you guys, please like, share, subscribe my channel and share with your friends too. Okay, so without any delay, let's get into the video. What is our topic? Can I speak English fluently within a month? Yes, every beginner, they have a same dot and they ask many times, oftentimes with different people. So what is, you can able to speak English within a month or not? So before I start the session, I just want to tell you, please watch this video till the very end and you will get all the solution. Okay, you will get lots of idea and you will solve your query. Okay, you will get answer of all your queries in this video. Okay, so please watch this video till the very end. It is not very long video, it will be short video. I will try to finish this video 6 to 7 minutes, within a 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, okay, let's see. So can I speak English fluently within a month? Yes friends, you can speak English within a month, but it's all up to you. Yes, if you want to speak English within a month, within a 30 days, so what you have to do? You have to take 30 days as a challenge. 1 month, you can take 1 month. Seriously, you have to study. You have to immerse yourself. And according to people, their timetable will be different. Like if you are a student, you just completed your qualification, I can say you just completed your 12th graduation, it means you have some more time rather than other people. They are working, they are housewife, they are working somewhere, they have some other kind of activity. So I can say you have a more hours for practicing. So friends, if you have a enough time and if you want to speak English within a month, अगर आप एक महीने में इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं, है ना, तो आपके पास आपको क्या क्या करना है। आई एम डैम श्योर, अगर आप एक स्टूडेंट हैं तो आपके पास इनफ टाइम होगा। ठीक है, क्योंकि आपको घर के बाकी सारे कामों को नहीं करना होता है। ओके, देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to do some activity. First, you should take challenge. I am ready to take this, I am ready to take 1 month challenge. Okay, because I want to speak English within a month. Okay, so first you promise with yourself, promise with yourself whatever you have to do to become English speaker within a month, you should ready. ठीक है, आपको जो भी कुछ करना पड़े इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए 1 महीने के लिए आप कीजिए। आप अपने आप को उस चैलेंज को एक्सेप्ट कीजिए, क्योंकि आप 1 महीने में इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं। यू वॉन्ट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश विद इन अ मंथ। ओके, so how you should start, and there are lots of dilemma in our mind. We decided I'm going to speak English within a month, but before the start we should thinking lots of thought in our mind, where which video we should watch, how to start, which content we have to watch. Okay, so friends, you can start from anywhere. It means if you are a beginner, you just think like I'm going to start my English journey from tomorrow. So if you don't have any kind of plan, then what you will do? First, according to my experience, how I am able to speak English, you can start watching videos. you can start watching English related content, daily use sentence, small words, and some grammar parts are very important. We can't ignore it completely, because without grammar how you will form. I'm not talking about all the grammar rules. कुछ ग्रामर्स के पार्ट आपको सीखने ही पड़ेंगे, जैसे टेंस, मोडाल्स, दीज आर वेरी कॉमन इम्पॉर्टेंट्स, है ना। तो पहले आप इन 2-3 टॉपिक को कंप्लीट कर लीजिए, उसके बाद क्या करना है, साइड बाय साइड आप लिसन कीजिए। जस्ट इमेजिन हाउ आवर बेबी स्टार्ट लर्निंग आवर नेटिव लैंग्वेज। दे इनिशियल डे दे स्टार्ट लिसनिंग from parents, from family, from siblings, okay, because they surround with family and a whole family member, they speaking native language and baby start absorbing. Okay, the same thing you can do it. You can immerse yourself whole day, whatever you are doing, you should think in English, you should watch in English, you should write in English, you should read in English. Okay, which kind of activity, which kind of video, cartoons, है ना, TV show, whatever you are watching on social media, try to listen, try to read, try to write, try to speak, okay, in English. When you immerse yourself in English within a 10 days, you will feel कि I have some words. Now I am able to form a small sentences. Then you can start speaking, because speaking is very important. So you can speak with anyone. You can start speaking. You can start small conversation. Maybe 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, according to your capability, I can say, whatever knowledge you have. And in this way you will feel I'm able to speak English gradually. But friends, I want to tell you here, you can speak English within a month, but I want to tell you, you can't become fluent within a month, because fluency is not 1 month process. It will a time taking process. It will take time to become a fluent. Okay, I am able to speak English, but I am not considering myself I am fluent, because still I am doing mistake. I have to learn lots of things. There are lots of area in English, like pronunciation, words, word modulation, है ना, sentence structure, idioms, phrases. So how you will consider yourself within a month I am become fluent? No, इतनी इजी नहीं है। आप इंग्लिश बोल तो सकते हैं, लेकिन ये से श्योरिटी के साथ नहीं बोल सकते कि आप फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं 1 महीने में। इवन आप नहीं बोल पाएंगे, है ना। 1 महीने में कोई भी फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश नहीं बोल सकता है, क्योंकि इंग्लिश इज़ नॉट आवर नेटिव लैंग्वेज, इट इज़ आवर सेकेंडरी लैंग्वेज. So when you will start within, you will not able to recall how our 1 month passed just learning basic things, but now you able to understand, now you able to speak in front of anyway, in front of anyone. Okay, so you can speak English within a month. Okay, and don't watch lots of video on YouTube, like every people they will suggest you. Okay, but you have to take action according to your circumstances. If I am suggesting you, I am suggesting as of my experience, as of my knowledge. But what you have to do, you know yourself very well. You know your circumstances, you know your weakness, your strength, and you know which type of person you are. Okay, so you can plan, you can make a to-do list according to your circumstances, and you can take action. Everyone will suggest you, but you have to take a first step with yourself. Everyone guide you, but you have to take a step. Okay, then you will able to speak English within a month. It is not a rocket science, it is not a hard nut to crack. We all can speak English within a month, but we have to ready, you should ready to put lots of efforts. Because if anyone able to speak English better way, it means you are just imagine their efforts, they are putting lots of effort for learning this language. So you listen more and more, more you listen, better you speak. Yes, more you listen, better you speak. आप जितनी ज़्यादा सुनोगे उतनी ज़्यादा आप बोल पाओगे, बिकॉज when you listen again and again, lots of the word will repeat, and the then the word definitely will record in our mind, and you will able to understand which situation we have to use this word, है ना। तो आप इजीली समझ पाएंगे कि कहाँ हमें किस सिचुएशन में किस तरह से वर्ड को यूज करना है। तो आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सुनना है, एंड यू हैव टू सराउंड योर सेल्फ, यू हैव टू इमर्ज योर सेल्फ इन इंग्लिश whole day, not only we easily consider like 30 minutes enough for learning English, 20 minutes enough, 1 hour enough, 2 hours. No, it's not enough. You have to immerse whole day, whatever activity you are doing. If you are cooking food, if you are studying, if you are working, if you are singing, if you are watching television, if you are reading newspaper, every time you try to think in English, and you try to speak, you try to form the sentence, you try to write. Okay, you don't fix specific hours. I will practice only half an hour. No, it will be a long time, take a long process of learning this language. So stop doing this. You should immerse yourself, you should devote yourself. Now I'm going to away from all distraction like mobile phone, social media, friendship, yes, and other activity where you are wasting your time. Put the all thing aside and just give 1 month for your learning, for your English learning journey. Okay, thank you so much friends. Video it will be wrong, it will be long. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and please like, share, subscribe my channel, and please support me friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.